Sabi nga nitong si Vice President Lenny, we must make our people further understand that every human being is entitled to these rights. Alam ho namin yan. You don't have to be repetitive, redundant. And that fulfilling the rights of some, para may sa katuparan ng karapatan ng iba, at the cost of stripping away the rights of others. To strip the rights of others, particularly those in the drugs industry. Hindi mo pwedeng ibalanse yung karapatan ng mga biktima at mabibiktima, karapatan ng mga suspects. Nasaan ba kayo? Siyempre, may magsasuffer pag pinagtanggol mong karapatan ng buhay ng biktima, mabibiktima, laban sa mga buhay na nang bibiktima. Whose side are you? Sabi niya, at the cost of stripping away the rights of others. Whose others are you talking? The criminals? The suspect? Is precisely injustice. Injustice to what? To the criminals? That the concept of human rights established to correct. That's because of the universal principle of human rights. Sabi niya, let us focus. Pagtunan ho natin ang atensyon. Sarili natin, malaliman. Paano daw natin na papabayaan itong mga injustisyang nagaganap? Injustisya kanino? Sa mga kriminal. Injustisya doon sa likod ng droga. Injustisya sa mga naglalako ng droga. And do we begin holding people accountable for their actions? You must hold accountable. You must also be accountable for everything that you say kaysa dilaman, mga dilawan. Sabi niya, it is time to speak up and work as one. Yeah, you're speaking up. But the way you speak up is all about theory and universal rights of human rights. You know, sabihin nyo, lagi nyo pinapakita, human lives, economic, political sense, buhay doon. Teka muna, let's talk about etong kasalukuyang problema. The more we do, the more we're able to make the fight for human rights relevant. Kita nyo? Human rights. Whose rights? Criminal? The drugs or the victims? Mamma mia. Ayun na nga ho. Bagay ho na simple. Ay nako.